In the previous month of this year, I was a VidIQ Pro user and I buy a package of VidIQ that is from the VidIQ booster, and I take it for at least $49. And here in this package they just promise me to boost my videos, to promote my videos, to help me of the trending suggestions and whatever. There are some other packages too you can see in the online. So here in this video, this is 16 July, I will review this, whether you should buy any VidIQ packages or not, or you can use it only for free, it's enough. So here I'm Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Take. Before starting, there are a request. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the notification for the upcoming feature. And if it is still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, as I mentioned you in the previous that I was a premium package holder of VidIQ in the previous month of June 2020. So here, according to this month, here I have uploaded at least 28 videos. According to me, here there have no any sufficient views for this month too. And here I just gain as usual view what I gained in the previous months. I also get those views as like as. So here, according to me, they have no any impact on my views here. Though they mention that they will promote my video, they will boost my video, they will also suggest me about the trending topics. So here, they never do any this of three things. And here guys, they never boost my videos. As you see that here, I get as usual view what I get in the past. Here I also get the as usual views too. And here they also say me that here they will promote my video. Now my question is here, if they promote my video though, and I think no one want to watch my video, and in this case also at least I will get 5% extra views than the previous months, but there have no any increasing of my views. However, the increase of these views I just get for my new videos. And here, which video gets some more views, there's all a trending topic which is chosen by me. So here guys, according to me, I can say that here they never boost my videos, promote my videos, and they never show me any trending topics about. They just suggest that they will suggest me trending topics. And here they just suggest me some fishy tags which is useless. And here I just also use those tags too according to their compliment. If I use those tags, it will help me to increase in the search engine, but it doesn't help me, because here guys, the tags which I just insert on those videos, these videos are growing by their way, not like a booster way or not be a rocket. So here, according to me, I can say that here, this video, if I don't take those trending tags also, that time this video will be running like this. But here I just waste my $49 for this VidIQ booster package, and here I don't get any type of help from this after just buying this $49 package. They will give you a lot of promise that they will promote your video, they will boost your video, they will review your channels, they will suggest your channel to your exact viewers, and they also promise you to give some trending topics. According to me, according to my experience, I don't get anything in these last 30 days. So here, according to me, I can see that it's a lost project for me. So here guys, now what you can do, here in the online of YouTube, you can get a free version of VidIQ. You can use it. Here, whatever they provide by this, it's enough for you, because you need some tags. They just give you some tags, it's okay, but you needn't to use this VidIQ Pro version or booster version or premium version, whatever it is. You needn't to use those, and don't try to use those, because if you use it, that time all those dollars are in a lost project for you. So guys, this is the thing. Think twice before buying these VidIQ packages. So here guys, now it's your turn. Guys, if you believe me, then I request you, please don't buy it. I buy it and I get the result, and you can see that. Now guys, it's your turn, and I hope it will be really helpful topic for you if you watch this video before trying to buy some packages from VidIQ. Guys, if this video is really helpful for you, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.